Big up to my brother, blessed sons and daughters. We are looking for the answer, in search of living waters. Want to see the Messiah. Are you weary? Are you tired? Running on empty, feeling the fire. The devil is a liar. Children, you are forgiven, yeah. The story's already written. We'll do it in the war's land. Don't it feel good? Freedom, don't it feel good? Freedom, don't it feel good? Freedom, don't it feel good? Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Freedom, Justin Bieber featuring Beam. And for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play it for the beginner player, where we're not going to be using bar chords, to the intermediate and the advanced, where we're actually going to be using bar chords. Just stay tuned for that. We're going to play this with open tuning. We're not going to be using the capo, right? So the chords are as follows. Just make sure your guitar's in center tuning, and let's get right into it. So we have an E minor first, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then we go to A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then we have a B minor 7, right? So E minor to A minor. And then we have a B minor 7, which is open, 2, open, 2, 3, open. And you can hold this as a bar chord, where you are barring the second fret and then you play an A minor in front of that. So the corresponding notes would be 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, okay? And then back to E minor, okay? Now for the beginner player, you're gonna use this version of our B minor 7, which is open, okay? And if you wanna pluck that, you're gonna be playing for E minor. You're just gonna strum the whole chord the first time. And then for A minor, we're plucking 5, 4, 3, 2. And then for B minor 7, we're plucking 5, 3, 2. And then for E minor, the last one, you're plucking 6, 4, 3. Okay? And if you then use the bar chord, you're gonna pluck 5, 4, 3, 2. Now let's get right into the song. So we have, you can do a continuous strum that is more, straightforward than the actual strums on the song, or the actual pace of the song. So for that, you're gonna use so this is down, down, up, up, 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 in E minor, A minor, and then B minor 7, and then back to E minor. Alright, and then if you want to play it like they're doing on the song, you have, right? So the first time is down, 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 and then you go down, down, and then down, down, and then the last time down, down, and then we restart down, up, down, down, right? And then we go down, down, and then B minor 7, down, down, and then back again, down, down. Alright, that's don't it feel good? Freedom, don't it feel good? Right? And it just goes on and on like that. Alright, now if you're an advanced player, that's how you want to play it, and you actually want to pluck through the verses, right, to get that. Running on empty, feeling the fire. The the devil is a liar. The story's always reading. The children you're forgiven. And then you get into the freedom, don't it feel good? Can't believe I just say freedom. Freedom, don't it feel good? Freedom, don't it feel good? Freedom, don't it feel good? Wake up to our Father. Alright, and what I'm doing here is I'm strumming and then hammer on. So that's your E minor. And then that's your A minor. You strum, hammer on. Alright, and then the rest is just the same. Do subscribe to the channel, guys, for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.